Good morning. Here he is.
The man, the myth, the legend.
The man, the myth, the legend. Right, we've come to Williams because this is where we're going to leave the vans this morning when we go to installer. So, whether Williams know that yet or not, we'll find out. So, we've popped in. I had to do a quick price anyway, so it's kind of worked out. All the big names. Oh, here he is. Look, everybody wants to be on film, don't they? Everybody wants to be on film. So we've got all the boys here. We've just got Sam's just popped in because Williams broke their own toilet. So Sam's just having a quick look at that. We're all here, vans are here, ready to rock and roll. So we'll take you for the ride, hopefully get some good footage today, hopefully, but we'll find out.
Good morning.
All right?
Yeah.
All done?
No, that's the flush pipe that needs changing, not the flush valve needs changing.
Is it?
Yeah. Because I'll show you. So it's dry. So from the top, it's wet around the washers. And where that nut is there, you can see it dripping.
Fine.
I've nipped this up with grips and it's not leaking from this nut down.
Fine.
And you can see the drops coming from the washer,
Fine.
both washers and that nut, so that's where it's leaking from.
Fine.
So the best thing to do is change the flush valve.
Let's lift the lid off and see what we've got. We'll probably put a Viva in, won't we?
Yeah, well this is what you've got. You've got the side entry fill
If you
valve.
look, you can see that it's been like silicone, it hasn't even got a washer on the bottom of it.
Yeah. Cowboy builders, mate.
Cowboy builders, mate.
Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum.
How you feeling, Sam?
I feel alright.
Yeah, pretty excited.
Lovely day, lovely weather.
Yeah. Where the boys?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm welcome to the NEC and today's shows in all 9. We have the installer show.
What's he doing?
Having a fag in it, the night. You don't have to wait.
Did you enjoy installing today?
Yeah, it was good, I enjoyed it. Do you know what? People that have been watching on YouTube, learning what I know now, to meet them, it's been a privilege. It's been nice. Spending the day with you's been pretty great too. And with all the boys in there, it's been fun.
Right, we are done at installer. We've just come to where the after party is, and we decided to grab something to eat, and we found this little bowling alley. So we're going to do a bit of bowling. We've ordered some food, a couple of beers. So let's see how Sam gets on this next bowl, shall we?
I got me ball. I got me ball.
Load of shit.
What? None of us fit a pin yet. Oh, hey. Oh, how can you be this shit? I mean, how can you be this shit?
Look at that. I give it a spin. I give it a spin.
Uh-huh. Did you spin that one too? One.
So far as a team, we've knocked down 3 pins. Total.
Yeah.
Just for reference, this place is
Richard Adams.
dead. We are the only ones here. Feeling a little bit ropey.
Whoa. Whoa. It's bowling, mate, that's what it is. Monday, Tuesday, happy day.
Okay, that is it. So after we did all our bowling, got some food, headed over to the after party, which was wicked fun. Just really nice chilled atmosphere, loads and loads of people there. And then we've headed home. Time is now just before midnight and I've just got home. So massive shout out to everybody I've met today for the first time, including a huge number of people, you know, other YouTubers, people on Instagram and fans of the channel. It's been amazing for me to get the chance to meet some of you guys and to, you know, hear from you guys that you appreciate what we put out, and I love that. So yeah, really enjoyed meeting you, and hopefully I get a chance to meet loads more of you. I am signing off. I am ready for bed. Please remember, if you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.